Hello. Today's lesson is about finding arc measurements. That's ARC. Now, like Noah's Ark, like ARK, but ARC, an arc. An arc is just basically part of a circle. All right. We have, for example, we have a circle right here, and this circle has letters here at A and letter here at B, and going from A to B would be considered an arc. In fact, we can use this symbol as showing the arc of AB. So this is saying arc AB. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to find the measurements of some arcs. But before we do that, let's get some facts straight. So I'll give you a moment to write these blanks down real quick. We have a measure of an entire circle equals, measure of semicircle equals, and then we have the measure, because remember the little m stands for measure, of arc AB, blank, and then measure of arc ADB, blank. Okay, so I'll give you a moment to write that down. Okay. All right. Now, let's start with the measure of an entire circle. Well, we should know, of course, that a measure of an entire circle is 360 degrees. Okay? That's something you should have learned many years before you got to this class. Now, of course, a semicircle is half a circle. So all you got to do is take half of 360 degrees, and we'll get 180 degrees, which is a measure of a semicircle. Okay? Now, to find any measurement of any of these arcs, all we have to do is look at where the arc is located. So here's A to B. And since this is the arc, we just look at the corresponding angle, which is called a central angle, that's opposite. And this angle is 50 degrees. So therefore, the arc measurement is 50 degrees. Okay? The measure of arc AB is 50 degrees. And then finally, we have the measurement of arc ADB. Well, let's see where that is. A is right here. We have to go around to where D is, then come back around to where B is. All right? Well, if we already know what from here to here is, then what can we do to find the distance or the angle measurement going from here to there? That's right. We have to take 360 and subtract 50 from it, because we already know that this is 50 degrees. So we're going to take 360, subtract 50 from it, and we're going to get 310 degrees. So the measure of arc ADB is 310 degrees. So always remember that arcs go along the circle, but never go in. Now we're going to use this to help us answer our first question.